Hello and welcome. You are now looking at Canva.com. And Canva is designed for non-designers to create professional graphics on demand. It allows for custom graphs to be created with a template-based system. There's also a feature for photo editing as well as graphic editing. And since the graphics are made to be created on demand, you can both create the digital form as well as a print form in various sizes and dimensions. So the process in Canva involves working with the templates, customizing them for your specific situation, and then making them available via the output that you want. Now in this course, we're going to work with all of the basics of customizing the templates and then outputting them in different sizes and shapes. And whether you decide to work on your mobile or desktop, you'll be in position to know whether you want to work with the paid or upgrade version or whether you can use the free version. Now Canva does have a free upgrade for 30 days, and this is for the Canva for Work level of being able to use the platform. Now the upgraded level does give you access to everything that you have with the free version, with the addition of the photo library, the ability to resize your designs, custom uploads, and then other features which you can see here in this section. The most prominent features are that you can download your designs with transparent backgrounds, as well as exporting designs as animated GIFs. So it's a good idea to start with the free version since you do have access to the templates, as well as being able to upload your own images and having access to storage. And then if you find that you need any of these other features, they are available to you and you'll be able to upgrade in the panel. Now as of the recording of this video, you'll see a $12.95 price. If you pay yearly, obviously, you're going to pay less in a lump sum. And we're going to start the course assuming that you have the free version. So if you choose to upgrade, once you see some of the other features, you'll be able to. Now you can access your Canva account through your mobile device. Right now, we are looking at an iPhone device. And you can do the same thing with your Android device. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our App Store. And then we're going to search for Canva. And then when you see the application, you're going to click Get, and then Canva will download to your mobile device. Once it's downloaded, you'll click Open, and you'll then log in using your email and password. Once you do that, you'll then log in. And you'll then have access to the Canva dashboard. On the right-hand side menu, you'll be able to click the three dots, and you'll be able to create a custom-sized design. To create a new design, you'll click the plus button on the left-hand side where you can choose the format. In order to see your existing designs, you'll click the right-hand side and you'll be able to see them in this panel. Once you're in this panel, you'll be able to access the gear. That'll give you access to the upgrade, managing your team, and then the help section. And if you have a team, you'll then be able to access the stream by clicking the top link. Now, the most important aspect of Canva is going to be the template system, which you can use in order not to have to design. And you'll see the range of templates that you have available to you. And it's going to be in this section that says Create a Design. And you'll see the different types broken down into sections: social media, documents, personal, education, marketing, events, and advertisements. Each section has multiple forms. So for example, you'll see everything from an Instagram post and social media all the way over to a YouTube thumbnail. When you click inside of one of the templates, you'll notice there are going to be different forms of that particular design, and you'll see them in this section. You'll also notice that you're going to see the word free written on some of them. That means then that if you like one of the other templates that doesn't have the word free, you can pay for that template in order to use it. And as you'll see in upcoming videos, we'll be able to change different elements of the templates by using this left-hand menu. And once you've started the editing process, you'll notice then that you have a section here at the bottom called Your Designs. And this will hold the edits that you have been making to your templates in this area. What you can also do to find the design is you can use this search engine and you'll just write in the kind of post that you're going to be creating. What you'll then be able to do is to click that link. This will give you access to a specific kind of template where, again, you have choices between free and paid templates. And once you click in here, you're then inside of the canvas that you'll be working with and that we'll be covering for the rest of this course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.
Welcome to RoccoPass.com.